Hello everybody, we are back with another video. It's been a minute. It's also been a minute since I've cleaned my apartment deeply. Katie Mack is here, picking out some clothes from my closet. I still have my goggle tan that's really recovering, and it's been over a week, so please don't laugh. It is currently 6:15. I have been in class for 7 hours, and of course, what do I feel the need to do when I get home? Spend 7 hours cleaning. I'm psycho. Mood. Step one is starting the laundry. I am going to wash all my sheets. It is time for them to be washed because the top sheet is not properly tucked in. My head itches. There's like actual dirt.
But look at my sleeves.
Yeah, like that just shows. Girl, don't sit on my bed. Don't you dare sit on my bed.
I won't touch anything. I won't sit anywhere. I won't touch anything.
You can sit on the couch. It's great. No, just not the bed. All right, we gotta move my little avocado and Mr. Moguls. There's nothing like going to bed in clean sheets, so I'm actually really excited for tonight. Oh, also, I like your new room arrangement.
Thank you.
I saw it. It's my favorite. It's my favorite out of all of them. Out of every room arrangement, it is my favorite.
Whoa.
I know.
I liked it because the other way, I couldn't look out my window when I was sitting in my bed.
Right.
Every 2 months, I got to switch my room.
Right, it's been too long. Maybe if you want, you guys can play this while you're cleaning. It's always better to clean together. And I was so smart and I ran my dishwasher before I went to class, so they're all clean, and now I can put them away.
She's really changing the rules of how to do things and what.
Okay, you really don't care if I take all this?
No. Take it. Katie has left the building, sadly, and I am gonna make my to-do list of all of my cleaning goals that I want to accomplish. This is a great step one. You can just feel so fulfilled as you check more and more stuff off. I break it up into multiple steps so you can feel more satisfied as you go. So then I do fold, put away laundry, remake bed, put away dishes. I want to get the dust that has fallen in like the tiny little corners that the Roomba doesn't really get. Potentially wash the floors if I'm feeling really fancy. Do kitchen countertops, living room surfaces, clean the toilet. I just recently scrubbed the shower, so I feel like I don't really need to do that, especially because I'm only one person living here. Oh yeah, the bedroom surfaces. I need to dust my shelves, and I want to dust the trim around my apartment. Oh, I know, take out trash and recycling. That is a beautiful list. We are ready to get started. I'm gonna start dusting so he can be dusting while I'm putting away stuff. This is my Roomba Dustin. He's not the fanciest version, but he does work great, especially because my apartment is all hardwood floors. Have fun.
Yeah, I don't think they know that's my word. I don't think they know that's my word. Yeah, that's my hold up. Big on the set, what they said, part. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part.
I got my multi-surface cleaner, my broom, my dusting sheets. All right, I'm gonna sweep out around the corners of everything. Get out from the crevasse. For the most part, the Roomba does a pretty good job of getting all these things.
Hey, with the kid, know I got to get paid.
Might dust the perimeter of this living room first, and then I'll turn the Roomba back on, because then I'll like dust it down to the floor. Also, I do tend to use a lot of paper towels when I clean. I only have these 2 dusting rags with me, and then they get dirty, so yes, it's not the most eco-friendly. I apologize, I'm putting that out there. I could be better. Next time I'm at the store, I'll get some more things to fix that. But for now, this is what we have.
The walls were white, the flame was red, but her eyes were blue. So instead, I was thinking of you. I was thinking of you. Her skin was soft.
I have paused Dustin's work, but he's been working very hard. We have this whole part all dusted and vacuumed, dusted the drink dresser. I'm gonna do all the countertops here, clean out the microwave. I can hear that my laundry is almost done. And I also did notice that Dustin stole something from my bedroom. This happens sometimes. He gets a little bit too strong in his cleaning and he pulls my chargers out of the wall. That is a small price you pay for not actually doing the work yourself. So I'm not complaining, Dustin, still love you, but stop pulling my chargers out. I usually like to play this cleaning game to see how much I can get done while my laundry is drying or in the washer. I try to like beat the clock. I'm gonna see how fast I can clean all the countertops in my kitchen and get that all done. Then maybe I'll take a little break and have dinner. But the next step is the kitchen.
I can't stay. No, I always gotta go. Playing house, this ain't a home with my soul. On the road, I can't stay. No, I always gotta go. Playing house, this ain't a home with my.
I usually always forget to clean out this fruit bowl. And every time I clean it, I'm just reminded how I need to clean it more. And it's so satisfying. And then all your fruit is so happy. And I also had a sweet potato that was in there for way too long. I am limited to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 cuties, 2 cloves of garlic, some ginger, and some tomatoes that are on their absolute last leg. So I gotta eat those up. I need to go grocery shopping very, very badly. However, we are officially done. I think, I might clean out the sink and then I'm done with the kitchen. My laundry just beeped. It's almost break time.
Why you always gotta go? Playing house, this ain't a home with your soul. On the road.
It is almost 8 o'clock, so you know it is time for dinner. And tonight we are going with something super simple, the chicken tikka masala, a classic. Usually I kind of want some more for dinner, but I've been snacking throughout this entire day during class, so I'm not starving. This will be perfect. Maybe I'll let myself have some cookies tonight. I always just put it on for 4 minutes, even though it says to stir. Dinner, easy, done. Stuff is currently in the dryer. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm going to clean the bathroom. By then, maybe the stuff will be done. I'll fold it all and call it a night. The kitchen and the living room feels amazing. I used that stainless steel cleaner on this stuff, and it just makes it look so butter smooth, like brand spanking new. The dishwasher, she's literally gleaming. I'll talk to you guys when I'm back cleaning again. Dinner has been served. I'm officially starting to get semi-tired. That's what happens when you sit down. See, you get so productive when you immediately come home from something and you don't sit down, but then as soon as you sit down, it hits you. So the secret is just to not stop. Anyway, we've made it to the bathroom. I'm restocking my toilet paper holder thing. Katie was so nice and got me toilet paper, so I didn't have to stop at Target because she was already there. That's what friends are for, you know? Gotta swap out my hand towels. The way I do it is I wash the hand towel that like everyone uses very often because those things get gross. I just feel like I'm hyper aware of germs now, so I wash that hand towel a lot. This is my spare one, so while that one's in the washer, this one's already clean and I just migrate it over here. So basically in the bathroom, I'm going to clean off this countertop. There's like a little part of this mirror that needs to be Windexed. Take out the trash, clean the toilet. This one should be a pretty fast clean.
You were born over them and I was born over you. Snapped by the glinting of those open glossy eyes, trying to decide if it's clarity or a reflection. There's a careful tension, an embarrassing affection. We can't get any closer without touching. I said I can't put my hand there without going through it, without us both going through it. And they say the day it dies when you meet your match, so you probably hope that I cut you some slack, and that wouldn't be too bad if I didn't have to eat. But if I can't sleep in the shower, maybe getting out. 'Cause now I know the difference. Now I know the difference between a prayer and a preference, between desire and a deference. 'Cause I always leave with love, a new pouch in my pocket. It's a sweet, slow dripping in my vice grip. It's all gone by the morning, you know. You man always want more in the morning. morning. Your hair, my good God, yeah, you feel so smooth when you come through. I see you on the next page in the wreckage of the family flames, handing out the blankets to the family's brain. Baby, I'm a young lover down on my luck, undercover as a stick in the mud. I'm a fixer-upper, and if you're a nip-tucker, well, I can be your partner, man. I can be your...
You guys, we did it. I think I literally have done everything on this except for take out the trash, which I'm gonna do in like 2 seconds. Fold, put away laundry, remake bed, put away dishes, vacuum, sweep. I didn't Swiffer, but you know, that's something for like another time. Did all of these, did that, yes, yes. So I'm just gonna take out the trash and then we are officially done. We are going with the UGG slippers because it's 9 o'clock and I don't think I will run into anyone. This is an UGG slipper excursion. Mask secured. Okay, there we have it. A successful night of cleaning and productivity. I'm actually amazed that I did all of that in one night. You guys know what I'm talking about if you kind of enjoy cleaning in some way, where you just start doing stuff and then you're on a roll and you're like, wait, this is actually fun. Today's question of the day is going to be, what is your favorite thing to clean and your least favorite thing to clean? My favorite thing, like cleaning activity, is definitely laundry. My least favorite is probably scrubbing the stove. I don't know why I hate it. I think no matter how many times I scrub it, it still doesn't look perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and being patient, waiting for this upload. I got like a little bit behind because I had kind of a crazy week, and starting school and a new routine has just tossed me a little bit, but don't you worry. Now I am back in my routine. My apartment is clean, my life is together. I'm going skiing tomorrow. They just got 4 inches of snow. I'm so excited. Be sure to go follow me on Instagram at kiaramadisen and go say hi to me on there. I should probably make like a cleaning highlight on my Instagram. Stay tuned for some new highlights because I got some ideas. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Peace out. Boom.
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said